this is Aslam Beg from Programming Cups. In this video, we are going to learn to print each letter of English alphabet. So in this video, we are going to use the Python programming language to print each character or each letter of English alphabet. So let's get started. So welcome you all on our YouTube channel, that is Programming Cups, and let's start the coding of the program. So first of all, we will be making a for loop, so that will be running from so we may start this for loop. So let for I in range, as we know that for the English letter A, the ASCII value of capital letter A is 65. So we will be starting the loop from 65, and after that the last letter, that is the English alphabet, that is Z, the ASCII value of letter Z, that is the capital Z, is 90. So we will be writing 91 as the last value is excluded, so that's why we are giving 91. So if 91 will be excluded, so it will be in the range of 65 to 90. So after that we will have to print the characters. So now we will be printing each characters. So already we have a CHR function. With the help of that CHR function, we can convert a numerical value into its character value. So basically here we will pass in the ASCII value, and based on that ASCII value it will be converted into its character value. So we will be using this CHR function. Inside this CHR we have to pass this numerical value, that is in the I value will be from 65 to 90, in that range. So here we are passing this I. Now let's run the program to see the output what's gonna come. So after running the program, we'll be getting the output like A, then in the next line will be B, in the next line we will see that up to Z. So let's run the program to see the output. So as you can see that this is our output from A to Z. So in this way we have completed how to print each letter of an English alphabet. So this was all about writing each and every letter of English alphabet, that is in capital letters. Okay, so it's basically based on the ASCII value, and for the capital letters of English alphabet, the ASCII value is from 65 to 90. That's why we have run this loop from 65 to 90, and we have used this CHR function that is used to convert a numerical value into its specified character values. Based on this ASCII value, it used to convert into its character, and after that we are printing it. Let's modify this output so that it may look much better. So here we will be printing the value of, here we may take one variable also, let we may take C as a counter value, and here we may assign it to 1. So now we should print this also like that. We may like a letter. After that again what we can do is that here we may put a comma. So after that this C. So after that again we have to put some semicolon like that. Again we put comma. Now our output will be looking something like this. Our output will come like that. It will be printing like that. LETTR letter. See that its value will be some 1C. That will be 1, then 2, then 3 like that. So it will be printing like that. Letter 1 is to A, like that it will print. So first, after printing the value of C, we have to increment it also by 1. It is just like that. C plus is equal to 1 like that. Again in the next time when it will be running, it will be printing like that. LETTR letter 2, that is B. So this is much specified and formatted output so that we can understand also. So let's run the code, and here this hashtag is denoting the comments in Python programming. So let's run the code to see the output. What's gonna print? The first letter of English alphabet is A, the second letter is B, the third letter is C. In this way we have printed that the 26th letter of English alphabet is Z. So I hope that you might have enjoyed this video, and it's a very interesting program to print each and every letter of English alphabet using the Python programming. So I hope you might have enjoyed the program. If you like this video, please share it, like it, and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch such types of programming questions related to different programming like Java, Python, C++, or HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if you want such types of questions, so please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.